With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let us try to solve the given problem. So the given problem simply states the angle of deviation of emergent light ray BCE with respect to the incident ray OA on the glass sphere is. Now you can see that this is an incident ray and this is the final emergent ray. So we need to find out what is the angle of deviation between the incident ray or the path of incident ray and the emergent ray. For that we first need to draw a diagram. So you can see in the diagram, we have to find this angle. Now this is the path of the incident ray and this is the path of the emergent ray. So we have to find the angle of deviation. The question says that to find the angle of deviation between the incident ray and emergent ray. So let this angle, I am writing it here for better clarity, be del. Now we have to find this. Del is the angle of deviation, right? We have to find this. Now, how do we find this? Now, it is given that at this surface, right? So you can see that this line will be normal. This is incident ray, this is angle of incidence, and this is angle of refraction, right? So you can see that on the first surface, when this light falls like this, then it's deviate. So this is called del 1, the deviation on the first surface. Now, how do you calculate? So you can see in the diagram that I is simply equals to the sum of del 1 plus R. Why? Vertically opposite angle. This I and del 1 plus R is vertically opposite angles. Then we can find the del 1, that will be simply equals to I minus R. Let this be equation number 1. Now you can see that this is simply a sphere and this, let us say that, let us take this as point M. Now you can see that MA is simply equals to MB, both are radii of a circle. Now very easily, if this angle is R, then this angle will also be R. So you can see that this is normal, this is incident ray on this surface, so the angle of incidence is R. Then if you apply the Snell's law, then what will happen is that this angle will simply comes out to be I, right? So if you can see here, if this is I and this is R, then very easily one can understand that when this angle will be R at this surface, then this angle will be I. Now you can see that what will be the deviation at this surface, what will be the deviation produced. So this ray is going like this and it has deviated or refracted like this. So this del 1 is the deviation at this surface, del 2, let us say. So del 2, how do you find out del 2? So del 2 will be simply equals to I minus R. Again, let this be equation number 2. Now you can see that if this is del 2, then this angle is also equals to del 2. Because why? Because vertically opposite angle. You can see that this line and this line, this angle is del 2, so this angle will be simply equals to del 2. Now very easily you can see that there is a property of angles of triangle which says that the sum of internal opposite angle is equals to the exterior angle. So with that property we can write del is simply equals to del 1 plus del 2. Now let us put the values and find the deviation which we had to find. So this will be 2 times I minus R. So this will be the correct option. I hope the entire explanation is clear to you. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.